Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your subscription with HBO Max, detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your subscription with HBO Max, start by launching the HBO Max app on your device or visiting the HBO Max website on your browser. If you are using a mobile device, ensure you are logged into your account. If you're on a web browser, click the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account. Next, look for the Manage Subscriptions section. Click on it to proceed to the cancellation options. You'll see an option for Cancel Subscription. Select this option to initiate the cancellation process. Follow the prompts on the screen to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to review any potential cancellation confirmation messages. Once you complete the process, you should receive an email confirming your subscription cancellation. Check your inbox for this confirmation to ensure everything is in order. For Apple users, open the App Store and tap on your profile icon. Select Subscriptions and find HBO Max in the list. Tap on it and choose Cancel Subscription. For Android users, open the Google Play Store and tap on the menu icon. Select Subscriptions and find HBO Max. Tap on it and then choose Cancel Subscription to finish the process. After cancellation, you will still have access to HBO Max until the end of your billing cycle. Keep this in mind as you decide whether to continue or discontinue your subscription. Always check your bank statements in the following months to ensure that no further charges are applied. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.